Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to watch how to measure the value of a resistor using a multimeter. Right. Here is our multimeter and the two probes we are going to use to calculate the value, to measure the value. Right. For this we need a few samples of resistors of which we are going to calculate the resistances. So here are a few. So let us calculate the value theoretically first so that we can verify it. So the color code of this resistor is red, red and brown, that indicating its value is 220 ohms, right? The second resistor we have the color code brown, black, orange, indicating the value 10k. The third resistor having the color code orange, white, yellow, indicating the value 390k ohms. Okay, 390k kilo ohms. Okay, so let us find the value using the multimeter. Right, the black one, black probe, we are going to connect it on the common one. Okay, for the red one we have two options. We are going to connect it on the terminal having ohms symbol, right, indicating that we have to connect it on this terminal to calculate the value of resistor, right? So you can turn on the multimeter by rotating the knob, and we have these few options to calculate the value of resistor starting from 200 to 2 mega. Okay, these are the ranges we are going to use to calculate the value, to measure the value, right? So if our knob is on 200, then we can calculate the maximum value up to 200 ohms only. If we need to calculate the value, measure the value more than 200, we need to increase the range by rotating the knob on 2k and then 20k and so on. Okay, so starting from 200, because initially we don't know the value of the resistor, right? So we will start it from 200, although we know that it is of 220 ohms, but let us assume that we don't know. So what you have to do is you have to touch the two terminals of the resistor using these probes. Okay, so this is giving you the value 1, indicating that you need to increase the range because the value of resistance is higher than 200, right? So it is giving me the value 1. Let us increase the range by rotating the knob on 2k, right? Okay, so now it is giving me the value 0.22. Before that I may tell you that whenever you rotate the knob, okay, if your value comes on 2k, then you have to multiply the value by 1000. Okay, if your value is on 20k, then you have to multiply it by 10,000, and if it's on 2m, you have to multiply it by 10 lakh and so on. So let us find the value of our resistor. Let's touch the two terminals using the probes, and it is showing 0.22. That means we have to multiply it by 1000 because it is on 2k. So we will get the value 220 ohms. So it has been verified. The next resistor we are going to take is of this much, that is 10k, right? So let us measure this on 2k only. Of course we know that we are not going to get the value, but let us see what happens. It is giving me the value 1, that indicates that we need to increase the range. Okay, so let's bring it on 20k. Again measuring it, we are going to get approximately 9.9 or 9.8, right? Sorry, 0.98. Okay, 0.99 or 0.98. So since it is on 20k, we need to multiply it by 10,000, right? Multiplying it by 10,000, it will give me the value 9.9k, or we can say 9900. Okay, 9.9k or 9900 ohms. So it is approximately equal to the theoretical value. Why is it some way different from the theoretical value? Because there are various other parameters affecting the value of this resistor. Okay, Moreover, when I measure it using my hands, okay, on the terminals, so my hands resistance also affect this value, okay, and many more factors. So it's okay to get the approximate value of this resistor, that is 9.9k, which is very much equal to 10k. And here we have the resistance of value 390k, right? So let us calculate it, let us measure it using the multimeter. Okay, we got 1, that means, yeah, right, that means we need to increase the range. 200k, hope we will get the value here. No, that is fine. Oh yeah, again we need to increase the range because it is again giving me the value 1. Let us bring it to 2 mega ohms. Oh yeah, it is giving me the value 0.34. Okay, let me try to do it without my hands so that I can get the accurate value, because there is a lot of difference in that. So let's rotate this wire around the probe so that I should not use my hand for this. Yeah, now it's good now. It's giving me very much nearly value 0.389. I told you if it is on 2M, then we need to multiply it by 10 lakh. Okay, multiplying it by 10 lakh, we'll get 389 and 000, right? That means 389k or say 390k. Okay, 390k, that was our theoretical value, right? So this is the way we can use the multimeter to find the value of the resistor. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.